Obviously, I told you, right, lot of ships, lot of boats, all these things started developing. I'm sorry, like my last video got cut. Lot of things started developing, lot of submarines, ships, boats, all these things started developing because of industrial revolution. That, and because transportation increased so much that people came in contact with each other, different nations came in contact with each other. That is how British came to India, right? How would they have come? They wouldn't have come walking, right? They came in a ship. Okay, so it's because of industrial revolution that people, other nations came in contact with each other. In such circumstances, need for the objective and scientific study of society was felt. Now, because all these things were happening around in the society, so many change was happening, and because of that, it was very, very important to study the society that was around them. First of all, French philosopher Auguste Comte made the first attempt to understand society from objective and scientific perspective. So it was Auguste Comte, okay, who was a French philosopher. You have to remember him. He's very, very important. He made the first attempt, he made the first try to study society in a scientific way, by using aims, objectives. By using those things, he tried to study the society that was around him by using the facts. Okay, he felt that like the natural events, social events occurring in society could be studied scientifically. So he said कि जे nature માં જે વસ્તુ થાય છે, right, જે nature માં ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ થાય છે. For example, let us say બટરફ્લાય કેવી રીતના બને, પેલા એગ હોય, પછી એની ઈયળ જેવું બને અને પછી બટરફ્લાય બને, રાઈટ. સો ધોઝ આર નેચરલ ઇવેન્ટ્સ. સો એનો પ્રોપર પ્રોસેસ છે, રાઈટ, કે સ્ટેપ 1, સ્ટેપ 2, સ્ટેપ 3, સ્ટેપ 4, વોટ એવર. So similarly, even in society, there are various steps, there are various levels through which things are happening, why they are happening, okay, what is the reason, what will it result in, what are the consequences. And similarly, જેમ આપણે સાયન્સને પ્રોપર સ્ટેપ્સમાં ભણીએ એવી રીતના we have to study the society in proper steps, in proper order. Okay. He presented various theories and scientific study of society in his book Positive Philosophy. So whatever he studied, whatever he found out, he wrote it in his book, which was called as Positive Philosophy, which was written in 6 volumes during 1830 and 1842. So between 1830 to 1842, Positive Philosophy was written, and it had 6 volumes, at least 6 parts. Okay. Initially, he presented his scientific study of society with the title Social Physics, but then finding it not compatible with his study, he changed it to Sociology in 1839. So he was the first person to start studying sociology. Okay, and first he called this subject as social physics, but then he felt that this is not a right name for it, and you should change it. So later on he changed it to sociology in 1839. Because of this, he is known as father of sociology. Why? Because he started the subject of sociology, and that is why he is called as father of sociology. The sociology which began with Auguste Comte further developed with the studies of Emile Durkheim in France, John Stuart Mill and Herbert Spencer in England, Karl Marx and Max Weber in Germany. So as first it started with France, with Auguste Comte, and slowly many other scholars, they started studying sociology in different parts of the world. All these sociologists of initial period came to be known as classical sociologists. These people who did the main work in sociology when sociology had just started are called as classical sociologists, because they were the first few people who tried to study society using scientific, using proper method. Okay, due to their distinctive contribution in sociology. So now let us try and understand how contribution of these sociologists have developed. So now we are going to study various other sociologists, which I'll continue tomorrow.